up, humans? Airshow was pretty cool. Surprisingly, Millie was not scared by the loud noises. And so this week's episode is all about socialization. Millie's 12 weeks old now. We're going to introduce her to some more dogs and some more friends. This is Michelle.
Hi.
We used to work together. She's taking care of Millie, and she's been puppy sitting this little dog, Cutie, 2 years old. What breed?
She's a Jack Russell.
Jack Russell. And so they've been having a good time here at the park as Millie socializes with more and more dogs, and there's kids running around. It's a good environment.